Hi everyone, welcome back to Elephant Nature Park, Chiang Mai. We're getting closer and closer to the end of volunteering, but we won't stop working to take care of our elephant friends. And today, we will make an elephant cake to give them a treat. I'm sure you all have seen an elephant cake in previous episodes. Now let's make one together. But how are we going to dye the rice like those you have seen? Let's pick some flowers for some natural dye. Natural coloring.
Natural coloring.
Yeah.
We'll grab some rice.
Damn. Oh, there she comes. Where are you going? This way.
They like the Mayan face.
Oh,
Hard work.
yep. We love you. I miss this every day, seeing them getting all excited to come eat the food we prepared for them. After giving our elephant friends a treat, let's do some more visiting and exploring around the park, because there's so much more to see. It's a heaven for cat lovers.
No, that one. I can go in though.
Yes, I probably should.
Hola.
Yeah. Look at yourself. Can you see yourself?
Oh, okay. This is the other side of the park, where a couple of elephant herds like Kamla's family will go hang out every day.
Please be at the
And someone got overly excited that she just wants to come along and hang out with us.
You got to climb back through that hole now, should you go?
Yeah, I wonder
Oh, so smart. Good job. Oh my god. That's so funny. Yay. Truck ride. Turn around.
Here comes the last river crossing I'll get to witness for this trip. As always, there's something new happening to watch. In every herd, all the elephants are united as one. They care for each other and will stick up with each other no matter what happens. It's just so fun and inspiring to watch them interacting with one another.
I know. I'm gonna miss this so much.
And here comes our last day. One more elephant walk to say bye to all of our new friends before our departure at 1 p.m. I will miss this place every day with all my heart. I I wish the world can be filled with hearts of all the compassionate and caring people I've come across during this volunteering experience. Though I know it has been and is still going to be a lifelong progress, full of hardships and struggles. But I'm sure we will not give up. We will get to have more and more loving people like this how we're seeing here. So that's it for my Elephant Friends Come Back in Chiang Mai series. Special thanks to everyone who has appeared on any of the episodes. I would like to thank Elephant Nature Park for hosting such an amazing volunteer program. You guys are wonderful role models and inspiration for conservation, and I can't thank you enough for all your efforts to help the animals. I would also like to thank every one of you for watching and supporting my Elephant Friends Come Back in Chiang Mai series. Hope you enjoyed them and find them helpful for your future visits at Elephant Nature Park, which has locations in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and Cambodia. And if you have any thoughts or experience you would like to share, shoot me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.